Hi, I just wanted to show you a quick example of how you can sign up for the Discount Travel Secrets resource bundle if you haven't looked at it yet. I know that with so many different course hosting systems and email systems that it can look confusing or seem like it's so much that it's not even worth bothering. So I just wanted to show how easy it is. So from my homepage, you can see Discount Travel Secrets here, or there's lots of other ways that you can find it. I always send it in these emails. Sometimes I have little boxes throughout my website, but this is the page that it will send you to, and it shows you all the different modules that we have, and you would just click the I am ready button. And from there, it will just ask you your email and your name, and it's free, so it doesn't ask for any other information. Also, if you start typing in your email and it's one that's already registered, it'll pop up with this instead to have you log in or send you your password if you've forgotten it. I've had several people before just forget that they had signed up. Like, I've sent out surveys and it'll only give me the emails of people that are on here. Like, I have no other way of knowing your email unless you gave it to me. And they'll be like, I never signed up for this. And it's like, well, here I can see exactly when you did. And they're like, oh, I totally forgot. Okay, so once you sign up, it will open up this page that'll have you create your password to log into the dashboard. Once you do that, you'll just hit complete setup, and it'll ask you if you want to save your password or update your password, and then it'll send you right into the course introduction. If you want, you can go here on the side and it'll show you just all the different modules that are in here, how many different things are listed under that module. So this like opening one that has the introduction also has like a workbook that goes side by side. It has the days broken down of the different sectors of the travel industry. So like this first section was my original Discount Travel Secrets course. So you have an intro day, and then each of the other 4 days is the 4 sectors of tourism. So you have transportation, lodging, attractions, and dining. And then everything else was my bundle. So I just put everything together into one bundle. So you have how to create your travel bucket list, and this is also a PDF that has things that you can fill in. And I'm actually going to start adding video modules to each of these as either just a video introduction or video explanation. They're just going to be recorded just like this on Loom, but then it's going to be embedded into it. So we have travel itineraries, vision board, journaling prompts, all these sample weekend getaway itineraries, and then down here, all these bonuses. This is every freebie that I have ever offered on my website. So you've probably gotten at least a couple of these, if not more. But this is just how it works. And you can click to go to the dashboard, and it'll show you what courses you are registered for. You can search lessons if there's something in particular that you are looking for. And then as you go through it and you say like complete and continue, you'll get kind of like this progress bar of how much of the course you've completed. So you'll always know like what you've looked at and what you haven't, and you can go back through it as many times as you want. It's yours to have, forever, as long as it exists. And some of these lessons have added little discussions. If you wanted to have a conversation about anything, ask any questions, it'll notify me if you post anything in there. But you can also do like some of the assignment stuff that it has in there. You can put your answers in here, or you can just write them down yourself. It's just kind of self-service, however you want to go about it. So anyway, that's how you get the course, and this is what the course looks like in case anyone was just kind of hesitant to do it because they just weren't sure how it really worked. The other thing too is that you'll automatically be sent a sequence of emails. They might take a couple minutes, like a receipt for your order, because this platform can take money for paid courses. It's just I don't charge for anything. So you'll just get the receipt of $0. and then you'll get an email from Thinkific for the same thing. So like one is coming from me. Oh, you know what? I wonder if one of these is... Okay, the one that says it's from Discovering Hidden Gems, that's what you as the user would see. This one from Thinkific is what I see because I'm the owner, and then I see who just purchased it, which is free. Then, so yeah, anything that comes from Discovering Hidden Gems, that's what it's going to be. So this is the welcome that you'll get from me, and it will have the URL for you to go back to the bundle if you ever need to. It tells you the email you use to sign up, and then it just shows you the course, and you can click in and you will just have access to it then. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm going to make more videos to put into this bundle to explain each of the lessons for the people that aren't like PDF reading learners and would rather just sit and listen or watch a video.